Okay, the bodyweight squat is arguably the safest, most convenient, most accessible, and simplest conditioning exercise available. And it's one of those exercises that is so effective at what it does and so broadly applicable in everyday life that you're almost certain to benefit from spending some time getting better at it. Improvements in your cardiorespiratory fitness, lower body fatigue resistance, and general tolerance to metabolic stress, those are things that you really feel. They aren't abstract or theoretical, and they apply to the simplest, most pedestrian things like playing with your kids, carrying groceries up some stairs, getting up off the floor, all the way up to activities that demand the limits of your fitness. Better conditioning and a pair of fatigue-resistant legs makes everything easier, and anyone who's ever been at the limits of their conditioning knows just how crushing and debilitating that can feel. And getting good at bodyweight squats is a simple way to level up your conditioning and lower body fatigue resistance. It's not all you need, of course, and it won't do everything for you, but the benefits are legit and the costs are minimal. 100 constant tension bodyweight squats can be done in around 2 minutes. And I know that's not some extraordinary physical feat, but it's a small investment and it's challenging enough to leave most of us with a maxed out heart rate, gasping for air and feeling like our legs have been set on fire. And that's just 2 minutes. That's without needing any special equipment or having to go anywhere at all. And it feels like you just ran some sprints, except your legs are way more smoked and you didn't even need to leave the room that you're in. Now, if you aren't there yet, just do what you can and slowly build up. And by the time you can knock out 100 in a row, you're going to notice the difference. And if 100 becomes easy, then do a second set or a third or throw on a weight vest. There are plenty of ways to keep these from becoming easy. And again, they're not the only thing you should do and you don't have to do them forever, but you probably want to stay in good enough shape to always be good at them. And if you can make it into old age still able to knock out 100 in a row, you're probably going to be doing just fine. So I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.